Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a different scenario. So already I have talked same kind of scenario in last videos, like how to find the product wise ranking category in descending order and ascending order. But in today's video, so what is the contribution percentage of contribution comparing to the year wise sales we are going to see. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding in Power BI. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm gonna explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So category, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship is very important, so we'll try to understand that is also. Click on model, so collapse these two, try to scroll down a little bit. So now we can see that already I have established the relationship between dimension tables and a fact table. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on product key, I have enabled the relationship between the product table as well as the internet sales. Even we can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. But even we can enable the cross filter direction like both, because it's up to the requirement. But in my report, single direction is fine, so that is the reason I have enabled only the single direction, like a one dimension to fact table. Okay, like that I have enabled the relationship for the other dimension tables also. Now click on report. So if you notice here, this is a matrix visual. So already I explained two videos like how to find category wise in descending order, ascending order. But here in this video, I'm just trying to find the percentage of contribution, so each year wise with respect to the category. So I'll try to take the snipping and explain. Take the snipping. So here, so in first category, each product wise, so what are the products having ranks between 1 and 5 in descending order, in ascending order? Okay, I'm just with respect to the each year wise in 2001, 2002, 3, 4, these are the respective sales. Okay, so in these sales, so these category, what is the percentage, I mean what is the total sales 1 to 5 rank in descending order? Okay, each year wise. So these are the ascending order sales between 1 and 5 ranks each year wise. So in this, what is the percentage of contribution this category sales? Okay, so out of these sales, so 1 to 5 rank category, what is the percentage of contribution? Okay, like that I have created this report and all. So if you notice here, even second category also in 2001, this is the sales. So 6 to 10 rank category in descending order, how much sales? 58,000. So what is the contribution out of these sales? 11%. In third category, 11 to 20 ranks. Okay, in this, what is the sales amount? 63,000. So what is the percentage contribution? 12%. So like that I have calculated the percentage of contribution in descending order. Same thing I have done in ascending order also, if you notice here. And also I have created a separate measure for getting the symbolic representation, so that easily we can understand where it is ascending order, descending order. So based on that, which category performing more, which category is not performing well. So based on that, we can understand the data and make a decision. So okay, so already I have explained two videos, last two videos, how to calculate descending order and ascending order. But in this video, we'll try to understand only the contribution of the sales with respect to the category in each year wise. So I'll try to show the measures which I have done for getting this percentage and all. So click on here. So now you can see so many measures, symbol, ascending, descending order. So here I'm taking, so if the percentage 0.2, 20 percentage means I'm just showing an upward symbol. If it is other than that, showing downward symbol. And also if it is upward means up symbol means showing different color, if it is down symbol means different color, so that we can understand easily which one is not doing well, which one is doing well. So already how to calculate ascending and descending order already I showed in last videos also. Please check if you did not watch so far. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for our videos. Thank you so much for watching.